Hey guys, welcome back. This is episode 9, just another update. So I got most of the wiring done. Before I show you any of it, this is all temporary, just until I get back from Daytona for the Turkey Rod Run show. But everything's temporary, everything's gonna be reran in a lot nicer way once everything's done. And I get back from the show. Right now I'm just trying to get it driving, but so if you look inside, ignore the steering column, this is all broken. I'm fixing my turn signal switch, but so turn signal switch also comes with all these wires, so that's why these aren't connected. These are not connected yet, but I have my fuse panel up there. It is a complete rat's nest right now, but wires running all throughout here. This is all for my electric choke, starter, all that. But going across, and I have it going out through there. Again, this is all temporary, but this is a painless wiring kit, by the way, universal 21 circuit, and I have painless, I think it's the power braid, it's either power or classic braid, but they're wrap, wire and harness wrap, but I have it running across here, down through this hole, through a grommet for the headlights and stuff. I still gotta hook the turn signals up, so those two wires are for the turn signal. But I got my headlights in both sides. To get it across, I have it running through the radiator support, up through some more braid on it, through there, through that. Same situation on this side, just runs through there. And then for all the tail stuff, I'm still working on it right now, but same thing, have it running through there. Got the braid on it all the way back. And slowly there's some more up there, but you can see like right here, I just have it zip tied on both ends where a wire's like dropping off, just so it keeps it sealed, then I lose a wire. But I got a kit from them, it's power braid, but some pretty good stuff. Got it going all the way back. I don't want to do the end yet, but I'm not cutting any of the wires, because like I said, it's not official, so I want to make sure I have all the length when I do go to officially run the wires. So that's why right there everything's kind of just looped up and zip tied and stuff together. But gauges are wired up. I have the headlight switch wired up, but I still have to do the dimmer switch. Batteries all wired up. The yellow and gray wire right there is for the electric fan. I gotta finish that up. But I got the oil and distributor wires and all that stuff running through. Right, you can barely see it. Alright, so I just tack welded a plate on because there's a big oval there. Just tack welded a plate, put a grommet there, and then ran the wires through, and then put some rubber seam sealer around it. Again, not the final product, but this power braid makes it a lot nicer because it turned like 10 wires into just this one wire. And I'm gonna have it running through the box tubing. I'll probably just have it all drop out right there and then connect to my fuel pump, all that stuff, tail lights, everything. So that's a quick little update on the wiring. Hopefully I'm gonna start it today. I got gas, all the fluids for the 700 R4. It's the Dextron 6 transmission fluid. Took 11 quarts. I have to put some coolant in there, but once I put the coolant, and I already have oil in there, so then I should be able to start it up. I have some 93 octane gas that I'm gonna put in there. Hopefully get it fired up today. I'll definitely have a clip of that in this video if I get that fired up. But yep, just wanted to show off the wiring real quick. Looks like a complete mess right now, but everything's gonna be fixed and rerouted after the show. But I at least want to get it driving and then start tinkering with the little stuff. So yeah, that's about it. Alright, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the link in the description and go follow me on Instagram.